First, start with your life plan. I know it's backwards as heck, it's like, how much money do you want to make? Oh, as much as I can. No, how much money do you need to make? As much as I can. No, how much are your expenses? Oh, I don't know. How much do you have? I don't know. How much do you want to play with? I don't know. No, come prepared. What's the life plan? What is it where do you want to be in 5 years? Where do you want to be in 10 years? What do you need over the next year? How much is it going to cost you? For example, if you say, hey, I just want to replace my day job, and the day job pays $60,000, well, that's different than if the day job pays $250,000, right? So how much do you need to cover your household expenses? How much do you need to replace the job? How much do you need to put the money in savings that you need to put in order to retire? How much do you need to deal with the children? Money is relative. What's a lot for some people is not a lot for others. So focus on what your life plan is and then put a dollar to that.